EQ stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Equillium stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not, and just generally speaking here, this is not a great price action. I'm going to be very straight up with you, but I do see some pumps, which could be a great sign. Or is it? Well, I'm still going to stick to the edge that I refined over 45,000 videos, and how things are looking like is from a higher time frame perspective. Yes, it's one heck of a solid bearish market, and it seems like he broke structure here. Now, for me to be bullish on this market, I must be looking for longs and a confirmation for longs. So let's say, yes, I'm willing to squeeze the most juice that I can out of this. I'm only going to position myself into a long if I see the beautiful Wyckoff accumulation happening today. If it's not today, tomorrow, but it just must happen in order for me to buy. And if it does not, I mean, this is not me assuming the things are going to take for the better turn. This is me waiting for a confirmation, and if I see it, then I'm taking it up. You know what I mean? Just think of the red thing that must happen first, and then the white one is the pending one. So stay tuned, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.